Good morning, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nan's Head and Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Yes, I'm selling my jammies. I haven't been up long, just long enough to shower, come in here and get a few things ready to show you all how to fix something. Oh, you want to know what? Well, come on. This morning we're going to fix well, you could call it a quiche if you want to, or a breakfast casserole. I've already got all of my stuff together and ready, so we save y'all some time. And I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. I think I'm going to bump it up to 400 though. Yeah, I'm going to put it on 400. We'll see how that goes. I've got a cup of cheese that I shredded. This is Colby Jack cheese. 1/4 cup of heavy cream. I've got a 1/4 cup of sour cream. I use the Daisy Light sour cream. I can tolerate that flavor. Now if you can't tolerate it at all, then use some Greek yogurt. I've got a small red sweet bell pepper that I've diced up real small. I've got some chives over here. I have some sausage that I fried up, and then I crumbled it when I fried it, and then I put it in my food processor and gave it a really good crumble. I did that a couple days ago. And then I've got a mess. I think it's what I've got. Here I've got 6 eggs, and I've already put some salt and pepper in there. And then I have an 8x8, mine is a glass dish that I've prepared with some, sorry, looking at the birds out there, they're just everywhere. I put some nonstick spray on it. So let's get this going. For you that are low carb and keto, this is right up your alley. If you're not, you still get to eat it. Because there's no problem with it. Now, if you want a little bread added to this, you know, a little more substance, you can add some almond flour for the keto and low carb folks. Or you can add a little bit of regular flour. Tom's fixing us some coffee back here. Let me get y'all up here a little bit so you can see what is going on. My goodness. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now, I've got the eggs all mixed up. And the next thing I'm going to do is add our heavy cream. Now, if you want to, you can actually go up to a 1/2 cup of, oops. You can go up to 1/2 cup of sour cream if you want to, or Greek yogurt, whichever you prefer. You don't have to use heavy cream. You can use milk if you want to. But I'm going to go ahead and get all of the wet ingredients mixed in first. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour it in the dish. Most of the stuff that you put in sinks down to the bottom anyway, so there's no need in putting it in here. That way when you sprinkle it in your dish, you know that you're getting a little bite of this and that all throughout your casserole or quiche. Yeah, this would be a crustless quiche if you're going for that. Or just a breakfast casserole. There we go. Now, let's go ahead and put our sausage in there. Like I said, I like to put it in after I've got the eggs in the casserole dish, because I can put it all around and make sure we get plenty. Now this is you can use as much sausage as you want to. This is 1/4 pound of breakfast sausage. Yeah, I started to put some bacon in there too, but I changed my mind. Okay. If you don't like the red pepper, don't put it in there. I chop it up real small for Tom. But for me too, but for Tom. He likes the flavor, but I don't know, it's something about the consistency, I guess, that he doesn't really like so much. But he does like the flavor of it. Okay. Put that in there. And wipe the sour cream off of here where I clanked it a while ago. Yeah, let's get a little bit of this. It's dehydrated chives. You can use onion if you want to. You can put anything you want to in it, honestly. Because if you're making one, it's yours. Okay, and then here's our cheese. And this should be good and creamy because I shred this one myself. We went to the store yesterday when I got back home. I shred a bunch of cheese. Now, like I said, I already had some salt in there. So, there we go. Right. Now, let's get this in the oven. And I'll see you all in about 30 minutes. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look how it browned up really nice. I'm going to let this sit here and cool down. And it'll deflate, of course. But I'm going to let it cool down. And then we're going to slice it and have a piece of it. Have some breakfast. Y'all come on down here if you want to join us. There's plenty. Look at that. Very hot. And I actually did end up baking mine for like 33 minutes. It probably could have came out at the 30-minute mark, but I just wanted to make sure. I don't really like raw egg, so we want to make sure the inside is cooked very well, and it is. So we're going to let it cool down, and then we're going to let it deflate. Then we're going to have a bite. Okay. Now, give this a slice. Oops. Stuck just a little bit on that side. Look at that. That. You can sprinkle you some more cheese on that if you want to. And I'm going to tell y'all right now, this is not going to be one piece for Tom. This is going to be 2 pieces for Tom. Look at that. Nice, huh? That's very hot. Yep. You see a little bit of that sweet red pepper in there. That's one of his favorite pepper, so one of the favorite ones. So that's why I put that one in there. It's good, yeah? Mm-hmm. I know it's very hot.
Want some of this, you better hurry, because it ain't going to last long. Thank you, baby.
Okay. Well, there you go. It's not. Now, if you know, you can double this, you can triple it, whatever size you need for your family. If you have not subscribed yet, I do hope that you will. Click the subscription button and the notification bell so that you know every time we put new content on. And I appreciate you all so much. But you all take care, and we will see you next time. Bye.